Yeah, after the session, actually today's session maybe for Nazar is short session because he has interview after a couple of hours. So after the session, we will just discuss about your issue. Okay. So your development, yeah, I just give you only one task, na? Okay. Good morning, Nazar. Nazar, are you there? Yeah. Just come online on our free screen sharing. Nazar, can you see the screen? Yeah. Today you have a telephonic interview, maybe on 4th of April, face-to-face interview. Okay, actually the topics you have just sent me four headings by mail. These topics, four topics you have sent me. Nazar, did you remember? These AWS cloud-based servers and Grunt and GUP. Nazar, can you hear me? Hello. Actually, voice breaking. Actually, okay, let's discuss about these four topics. Khushi, are you there? Actually, these topics are not related to our coding, not related to PHP, not related to our any CMS or any framework, not related to Drupal, not related to WordPress. These are the independent topic you can say. Okay. First, let's discuss about the first cloud-based server. Okay. So cloud-based server, you can say that uh, I just gave you one cPanel detail. Do you remember Bonnie Travel cPanel detail? It's kind of server or not, where our websites are there, different websites are there. That is a server, okay, but that is not a cloud-based server. That is, you can say physical server. You can say physical server, and they give you just a portion of web, portion of physical server, and just put on the live. One second, let me open the talk. I've sent you. First thing, cloud server. What is the cloud servers? In some respect, cloud server work in the same way as physical server, but the function they provide can be very different. Open the cloud hosting client are rating of traditional are two main option of hosting, shared hosting, and the dedicated hosting. Actually, this is the traditional, the Boni Travels cPanel. I have just provided you the detail, cPanel detail of Boni Travels. That is the traditional hosting, traditional method. And tradition can be divided in two parts: a shared hosting or a dedicated hosting. Okay, but cloud hosting is different. Cloud hosting client get the best both worlds. Okay, in the traditional hosting, we can just say that traditional hosting uh, can be verified as a physical. There is a physical existence in one place. Every company, if GoDaddy is providing traditional hosting, either shared hosting or dedicated hosting. Shared hosting in the shared hosting in a traditional hosting. Shared hosting means there is a cPanel detail, and different client just share that same cPanel detail. It means there is so many websites in the same cPanel, in the same hosting provider. So that hosting a cPanel, a web, or you can say a web portion is being shared by different client is called a shared hosting. Okay, a web server, a web space is being shared within the different client is called a shared hosting. Okay, Nazar, Nazar, Kushi, are you there? Kushi, Kushi, are you there? Okay, the same thing. The bony tables I have just provided you is kind of shared hosting. Okay, means there can be a different clients are there. They can use the same web space. Okay, he can allocate the particular a part of web space for their websites. Okay, so it is called a shared hosting. And dedicated hosting means only a client. Dedicated hosting means a web space for a particular client only. For a particular client only. Okay, it's called as dedicated hosting. This is the traditional web hosting. Okay, traditional way. This is the traditional kind of web hosting. But we are just concentrating on web cloud based server. Cloud based server. Okay, I will come on the cloud based server. So this traditional hosting is saved, or you can say is a physical existence. They have the physical existence in one place. Maybe there is a GoDaddy um, hosting or server is on any particular on US. There is a what we can say. One second, one second. um, Main place, you can say the main place where every physical servers are there, and they put these spaces, these server on the line online. They provide the space, they provide the space from that physical existence. You can say in your machine. Okay, you have a computer. They have different drives. Means in your machine maybe they have 500 GB or more than 500 GB space are there. Okay, so same as they have TB hard disks, and they put that TB hard disk, they make that hard disk so user can access via online their hard disk. Okay, so they have physical existence in traditional hosting. But in the cloud server, there is no physical existence. Okay, and no share hosting. You can say no share hosting, and it can be changed as per the requirement. In the traditional way, if we are using share hosting, in the traditional way, if we are using share hosting, we have created a website. Okay, if our website hit increases, hit means if user end user, so there is so many end users can means if there is comes bulk of bulk of users come on our sites, means hit increases, burden or server burden increases, then our website can be down. It could be down, or could be, you can say, stop working because of bulk of use in shared hosting. They cannot provide a multiple or a bulk of use at the same time. Okay, yeah, if our site is using only a few user, means only 100 to 1,000 user, then yeah, then we can use the shared hosting. If there is a user, a million user, a billion million users at a one time, then that site will not work on shared hosting. We need a dedicated hosting for that. Okay, so in the cloud server, I'm just taking example of website, but in the this is the space on server. This is the space. There's a space on server. We can install a particular software also. If let's take example, if there is a company, okay, uh, any company, and there is so many different branches are in different cities of a company. So they need only a software, and it could be shared with each branch. So they will just purchase a web space and install that common software on that space. So every branch can use that particular software. Okay, not only not the web space is not used only for website. Any data also, you can store the data. Means if there is a company, if there is a large number of database are there, so that company can store the data into the web server also, the web space also. So this web space can be used for different tasks. Okay, so in the cloud hosting, client can both word resources can be scaled and scaled down accordingly, making it more flexible and more cost effective. One second. Definition. Traditional. First difference is that cloud hosting don't have the physical existence. First thing is that, okay, and they have some advantages over the traditional hosting. Means if we purchase a space with the cloud computing or cloud hosting, then that particular space can be worked on both way, means in the shared hosting or a dedicated hosting. If we need only a few space or not performing, if we don't need well performed hosting, means our website is static website, only a few user come, only a few hits are there, then it will just perform like that way, a cloud hosting. This unlike dedicated server, just so it means these are the topic of kind of hosting, cloud hosting and cloud computing. Cloud server, we use cloud server for um, we on means different companies use cloud server for different tasks, for website hosting provider, also for any application, for data migration, for for data save, for data store, you can say. There's different three type of cloud: a private cloud, and private, public, and hybrid. There's three kind of cloud computing, cloud server: private, public, and hybrid. Public also, I didn't send maybe. Public, where's the public cloud? Maybe I didn't just included the public. Okay, I will send. So you have to just read out these documents only one time. Okay, Nazar. I will just send you public the description of public cloud also. Okay, private cloud, public cloud, and hybrid cloud. Three kind of clouds are there. So the next topic is our AWS. The full form of AWS, Amazon Web Services. The same. You can say that. That's why I just take cloud server first in first position, because these also provide space, a space that user can use, but they will provide extra functionality into their space. Means extra plugins are there, not our Drupal plugin or our WordPress plugin. Plugin means extra functionality. Okay, what is the definition of plugin? Plugins means extra functionality. So they provide extra functionality in Amazon. The AWS provided by Amazon.com. Okay, Amazon Web Services. Full form of AWS is Amazon Web Service. It provided by Amazon.com. They just provide the space. Okay, Amazon Web Service is a comprehensive evolving cloud computing platform provided by Amazon.com. Web services are sometimes called cloud services or remote computing services. The first AWS offering were launched. Okay, just information client side application, minimize the impact. The same means you can say one kind of uh, company. There is a company, Amazon company. They just provide cloud computing space, cloud space for users, or for any other company. If any other company needed the cloud space, they provide the cloud space and some extra functionality, and some enhancements are there every time. They just look up the space. If there is any error, if there is any issue are there, they just resolve that issue. Kind of cloud space providing company, and it is called AWS, Amazon Web Services. Okay, AWS. Just read out these things one time, and you will get understand. Redshift, mechanical trunk, application program interface, driver services. Driver services means you can say the extra functionality are there in their space. They just provide to the client. They give you some services with that space. Okay, cloud drive, cloud search, dynamo database, just related to our web services. Sorry, web, no, no, I mean web spaces. Third one is grunt. What is a grunt? Grunt is a task-based command line build tool for JavaScript project. Task-based means you can say if our website, a JavaScript website, okay, grunt just used for JavaScript website. First thing is that, okay. So JavaScript project, JavaScript website, but we use JavaScript in kind of all websites. If that website in core PHP or Drupal or any code igniter, we use JavaScript for every CMS, in every CMS, or in every framework in core PHP also. JavaScript used by different languages. .NET, in .NET also, in Java also. Okay, so this grunt kind of one kind of you can say task based command line build tool. Means if our website develop, okay, so we provide some testing environment for them. Our website, let's say we have developed bonitravels.com, but it is not tested. Yeah, we develop a working kind of working fine, but we have to test in different cases. So the grunt provide us, we have to install this functionality in our website, kind of command line, means from our command from our terminal, or in the windows from in windows we have cmd command prompt. Okay, Kushi, in mac or linux there is a terminal. So in our website, yeah, we can access our all website via ssh access. Means ssh access means kind of the command line access. We can put the file into our web server, we can fetch, we can download, we can delete. Okay, so the grunt just provide us a task based command line build tool. Means our website is developed, so we just check our website code, JavaScript code, mean JavaScript code in different cases. Means yeah, we have created a application, a employee application. Okay, now we have to test that application. If there is 100 employee, okay, it is working fine. If there is 1,000 employee, is that working fine? If there is million of employee, is that working fine or not? Means Grunt provide us a different task, a testing task. Okay, and that task uh, can be you can say automatic, can run automatically in particular interval of time, whatever we want to set a particular interval of time. That task can be run at particular interval of time, a testing task, mainly the testing task. Okay, Nazar, testing task is our website is working fine or not. You can set the cron job. What is the cron job? We have discussed in Drupal. Means in every technologies have the cron job. Cron job means while we are creating a module, we are sending a email a particular time interval. After a particular time interval, the email was sent. Email will send automatically. Did you remember in the Drupal module creation? Khushi Nazar, we have created a module. With the help of that module, uh, there is an email. That email will be sent after 2 hours or 1 hour, whatever the time we will just set up into the cron job. That is a cron job. Means the action will be performed at a particular time interval, in every time interval. Okay, Nazar, Khushi. Yeah, so that cron job can be used. That cron job is used in grunt. Means yeah, we have decided, yeah, this is the task, this is the testing module, this is the testing code in grunt, and we just provide a cron job. Means just run that code, or they run that particular grunt in every week. Okay, while we are developing our website, so we can put that kind of functionality using grunt. Okay, why did create a grunt? Yeah, there is some more information about the grunt. It's far easy to create a case over file repo and just promise yourself that you will add the listing and unit test. Listing is also kind of testing. Okay, that listing is kind of testing. Means it will just check. Means as the same example, we have developed a website in employee information. So listing means it will check for 10, for 100, for 1,000, for million employee also. Okay, if our code is working same way or not, for million of employee, for million of data. Unit testing means it will just test our whole code. Is there any error? Is there any syntax error? Is there any that our code is kind of you can say coding standard, you can say the standard our code is in the coding standard or not. Means there is coding standard always. If you are declaring a function, a user defined function. Okay, in JavaScript. So function is a keyword. First thing is function, and then you have to start your function name with the small letter. Okay, and if you are using demo client, then the demo client D would be the small, and the client, the C should be capital. There is some coding standard methodologies are there. Okay, that also can be checked via grunt. Okay, site performance also checked by grunt, means if there is a number of users hit in the same time, so what what will be the performance of our website, that can also be checked by using grunt only on JavaScript website. Okay, JavaScript project. So there's some more information about that particular grunt, how I create the grunt, actually how I install the grunt. I will just provide built task. Yeah, there's some tasks are there. Init generate projects, form, valid files, JS, hint, run test. You need different tasks. Actually, this is a very big topic that just use important things are there. Slice a new project. Okay, I will just provide a link also of this thread. Okay, just after the session. Uh, interview. This command also, how to install the kind of functionality. Okay, just remember this, grunt is a kind of functionality we have to add, we have to install that functionality. Okay, into our website, then only we can use the functionality, the main task of grunt into our website. There's some built-in task. Okay, built-in task means predefined task, you can say predefined task of grunt. These are the predefined different tasks of grunt. Okay, so can be used for different testing. How did I create the grunt? With npm. Not added this right here. This is okay, this is the npm install -g grunt. This is the command to install the grunt. Okay, we have to run this command using our terminal, but our terminal should have SSH access to our web, of our web hosting, or you can say of our server. I will just provide you detail how we use SSH access, but kind of you can say SSH access. Okay, I will just provide you cpanel. Did you remember, Nazar, cpanel? Yeah, bonitable cpanel. And you can access your website, you can put the data, put the folder, put the code using cpanel also. And I also provide you ftp detail also for same website, for same folders. FTP detail also there. We have to use filezilla for that. Okay, same way we can fetch, we can communicate with our folder files and the code using SSH. Okay, SSH kind of uh, command command line based, you can say the with the help of that we can fetch the file, we can change the code, we can delete the file. SSH access. Okay, just remember this thing, SSH access. We can run different command using, if we have SSH access we can install PHP on our server if there is no PHP installed. Okay, first we have to install the PHP. If we have blank server, okay, blank space on our web, So we have to first install the PHP or not, first install Apache, or you can say the direct XAMPP, XAMPP. Okay, if your server is web based, Windows based server, then you have to install XAMPP. Actually, in the servers, we are not going to install directly XAMPP. We have to install Apache and then PHP. Okay, Apache PHP, then PHP MyAdmin for database. And for and there's different options are there. If we want to install, you can say any WordPress site, then we can use our SSH access. The same way, same with the same terminal, same command prompt, we can install the grunt, npm install -g grunt. This is the command for that. Okay, what is a grunt? Grunt is kind of, you can say, a command line build tools for JavaScript. Tools, you can say, tools means, tools means the testing tools, or unit testings. Unit tests are there, listing. You can say the testing tools. Okay, listing is kind of testing also. Okay, Nazar. And the last thing is kind of, yes, group update provider. You can say this is not based on a website. Not only for website, it can be used. Group update provider means, let's take example. Uh, you have one company, okay, and in different, and your company, every system is attached with LAN, okay, in different floor also. So there is a centralized system, If you update anything in that system, then it should be update to all system. You have to use group update provider. Okay, not not all system access one file. Okay, all system are not going to access only one file. If they are all are accessing one file, then we don't have to need the group update provider. If one file updated, the reflection should be in all files, all the same file in our company. Then we have to install this group update provider in our LAN system or in our WAMP system. LAN and WAN, LAN and WAN, you can say wide area network, local area network. It's kind of mm, networking functionality come now. One second. Uh, did you understand? Means if we have a company, okay, and our company is connected with a LAN or with a WAN. LAN means uh, local area network, or WAN, the full form of WAN is wide area network. Okay, so if we change something, if we change any file, if we change any folder, if we change any information, it should be reflect on every system. The same file is not being shared. If the same file is being shared, is on sharing, then we don't have to change. It automatically change, but the reflection should be done in different file. Okay, so we use group update provider. You can understand by the name also. Group update provider, kind of networking thing is, this is only a kind of networking thing. Okay, Nazar, you have to read this. Just remember only important line, nothing else. Live update policy based on OS type, IP address, host name, and registry key. OS type based on means for different operating system. IP address also, IP address based update also there means, if we set some IP address for means if we need only update only a few system, only on the few system means if our file, this file is changed, so it will be reflect only three systems, so we can provide IP address of these three systems into the kind of extra functionality you can say in our company area, in our company, extra functionality in our company, so we can manage our group update of any folder of any file of any data. We can manage group update. Okay, Nazar, these four things, and if I get any other simple definition, then I will just send you within or okay. How much time do you have, Nazar, for interview? 10-20 minutes. Okay, let's do one thing. You just prepare your interview. Okay, I will just resolve the issue of Khushi today after the session. Just prepare your interview, and I will just send you more if I get anything else, any other definition. Let's stop our session here. Just prepare the interview, prepare the definitions of our cloud server or our the Amazon web server also. AWS, Amazon Web Services, cloud-based servers, and front and cup. Okay, okay, Nazar, and just send me if any issue other than these four topics. After the interview, also just um, remember the questions. You just send me so we can prepare for the next time also. Okay, okay, Nazar, best of luck. Bye. Yeah, Khushi. Hello. Uh, can you show me how you are creating the folder? Okay. No, no, no. Yeah, yeah, you have to create myblog.info file. You have created. Yeah, actually, you have created. What you have created? You have created a folder. Yeah, within the myblog. You just go into within the myblog. Open the myblog. Double click on this. Khushi. Yeah. Now, here you have to create two files, not folder. What you have done, you have created two more folders, .info and .module. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to create new file. Okay, create new file. Right, just right click here. Yeah, delete these two file. Folder, delete.
अब मैं वही फाइल भेज रहा हूँ.
1 second. Just click.
अब क्या आ गया? नहीं यार, वो विविड का मार्केटिंग एनालिसिस, एक वो उसमें एक दो चीज वो डालनी है उसमें, छोटी सी, तो किस्मत ऐसी है यार, छोटी छोटी चीजें कैसे रह जाती है यार। जैसे कॉपी पेस्ट करा अपन ने स्पॉट और वो वाला कौन सा सेक्शन, कॉस्टिंग अपग्रेशन और वो, क्या वो दोनों सेम रख दी, कॉस्टिंग सेम चलेगी। है कौन सा, ऐसा है क्या। तो एक काम करो ना ब्रो, ये वाला ले लो ना, लिखत वाली, ये मैडम को साक्षी चाहिए होगी, साक्षी का ले लो, साक्षी में फाइल भेज देता हूँ। तो कौन है, तीन व्यूअर से पढ़ा वो नजर नहीं आएगा,
नजर आया था भी गया उसका इंटरव्यू,
आ रहा हूँ।
नजर का इंटरव्यू जस्ट अभी हो गया है 15-20 मिनट बाद। खुशी का सिस्टम एक्सेस चल रहा था। नेटवर्किंग की चीजें थी,
बता दीजिए।
क्लाउड सर्वर, हाँ डेफिनेशन डेफिनेशन बता दिया, उसको भेज भी दिया एक डॉक में डिटेल में, एक बार पढ़ लो, डेफिनेशन याद कर लो। हेलो खुशी, आ रही दे, हेलो खुशी, yeah, now just open that folder, my blog. Now right click and create a file, a new, go to new, right, no, yeah, from here, just right click, yeah, in the middle content, just right click, go to new, new, create Windows, text, to create the text document, then it will, actually you have Windows system, that's why if you create the text document, then it would be .txt. Okay, well, let's do one thing, just go back, just go back, yes, there is all modules, go to path auto or panels or any other module, path auto, just double click on this. Now you can copy the file from here, and we will rename the file and remove the code also. So just copy .info, pathauto.info and pathauto.module file. There is two files. You can say that .module files are there. .module and dot, yeah, this, yeah. Copy that one. Path, yes, this one, and this pathauto module. Just copy same time. You can copy two files at one time also. Okay. module, only module, just copying that dot info file. You're sorry. Yeah, this is the right. Just paste it. No, just change. Just rename these file. Your my book. Just no, not in dot info. Already it is dot info file. Just remove dot info. Actually, in Windows, you don't have to write this dot info. Okay, just hit enter and rename this also. Okay, just now select both and open with your text editor, maybe Notepad plus plus or Net, NetBeans or Sublime Text. Yeah, you can copy the code, whole code. Control. Yeah, you have created in Notepad. Okay, you can just replace this code to our new code, a new to the new file. Right now we have created two new files now. There is this two. Yeah, yeah. Just replace. You can replace the code. Yeah, you can replace the code. Just Control A, Control C. Um, maybe or maybe not. Actually, in Windows. Okay, just go to Files and save as. Go to Files. Actually, while you are creating, so you have to decide the extension of this. That's why maybe it would not going to change the extension because you have created one text file. So the extension of this file .txt internally the property. If you go to property and check the property, then there is an extension. So you can, yeah, .info is there. My blog. Yeah, your screen is freezed. Just remove .php. Remove php. .info. Okay, just let's do one thing. You can replace the code. You can replace the code, Kushi. And the second way, you have to create a new file using Notepad plus plus. Just create a new file using Notepad plus plus, and then start the working on that particular file. Just copy and paste the dot module also. Okay, and sorry. This is txt. This code should be of dot in. Yeah, this is dot info and this is dot module. Yeah, yeah, module code. Yeah, just you can use control plus A. Then it will be select all code. Just press control A. Yeah, control A and just delete or backspace. You can use backspace also. Save the log. Okay. So same way you have to implement so many things, Kushi. This is just my blog, then cron, then there is a example after the cron monitor, the database, and how to create the tables using modules. Okay, how to create using dot install. Yeah. Hmm. So if you are not able to create, oh, okay, one more time, just go to your notepad plus plus. One more time, go to notepad plus plus. Uh, Go to files and new. Yeah, no, no, okay. Just save it. Control S. Or save. Just save. And set the location. Location from monitor dot module. Just go back. You have used dot module. There is an option, a back option. After this, the cron monitor dot module is the back option. After this arrow, there is back option. Go back. Okay, okay. Just go to modules. All modules. Sites. All modules. Go to sites. All modules. Yes. Okay. Within. Okay. Just go to cron monitor again. Cron monitor. Now, in the file name, there is a file name option. Just write cron monitor dot info or dot module dot info. Cron monitor dot info and go to types. One second. Go to type. Save as a type. Yeah. There is dot info. Just hit dot info from your keyboard. Dot info. Yeah, there is option info. Yeah, there is dot info. No, scroll down. Scroll down. MS style ACCIR dot info. Okay, one more time. Just use your keyboard dot info. Dot info. Yeah, just MS dot the second last. Second last. Yeah, just click on that. No. Dot NFO. Only this is Okay, you can create directly by using copy and paste and rename the files. Okay, did you understand? And dot install, if you have to create dot install file, sorry, type, no, no, not type php. It is okay. Go to my modules, go to my blog dot modules file. Yes, a new file, and go to files and save as. Let's see, type files and save as. What is the type? Don't save it. Actually, I'm not able. Your screen is freezed. Just scroll mouse over the screen. What is the default type? Normal text file. What is the default type? Okay, just try to run your folder. Let's see how. Just close it. Just close it. Try to run your website and go to modules in your website. Modules. Just check. Is there any my modules option are there? My blog. My blog. No option. Okay, just try to refresh one more time your website. Okay, in others path or to path. Okay, okay, yes. Okay, just try to, or otherwise I will send you all these files dot install file option also. Just change the rename the files. Okay, I will send demo.info, demo.module, demo.install, or demo.inc. Okay, just rename that files and use for your modules. Okay. Okay. So no, it should be different. Actually, .info file have different extension. .info file have different extension. .module file can be the PHP kind of PHP file, not simple text. .module file should be a PHP type, and .info file have a different extension. .info. Okay. Yeah, but we are not able to find. Sorry. Yeah, there's no info option. That let me check. Actually, I work on the system. That's why. Just check. Text. There's no option. There's no option. NFO. You have created your info file using Notepad plus plus, or or only with Note, and then it is working fine. Then it was working fine. Just right click on this file. Yeah, it is dot in. Yeah, type is info file. Yeah, it is created. Yeah, it is correct format. It is correct format. Yeah, you can see there is a type option. Sorry. Hello. Okay, one more time. Just yeah, you have to write dot info. Just save it. Already exists. Yeah, if you use dot info, then it will automatically use type dot info. But there is an issue in dot module files. Yeah, you have to use the correct way. Dot info can be created via that Notepad plus plus, but in dot module there is some issues. Okay, I will just send you. Yeah. Right now, you don't have my blog info in your folder? Yeah, just put the code into that my blog info. Copy the code from cron. You can copy the cron. Yeah, just copy the whole code. Once, one more time. Just copy it, right click, copy it. Mhm. You have to press control. Press just hold control. Yeah, and remove this config option, and you can change the name. Remove that last line, line number 5. You don't need line number 5 in my block. Just remove. No, 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 no. You have to remove the whole file, yeah, whole line. You don't need this. Yeah, yeah, just remove. We don't need configure. Yeah, we don't need configure in my block. Configure is used for administrative page only. In cron monitor, we have used administrator page. We don't need line number 5. Just remove whole line here. Yeah, and you can change the name. Just change the name if you want. My blog. One more thing. My blog. Change the description if you want. Otherwise, it will just display same description. No error. Demo blog. Yes, demo blog. Demo example of blog. Save it and try to again your website modules. others, maybe in others region. Yeah, in the others. Other. Other. One second. So yeah, I will just do one thing. I will send you demo.demo to install and then modules. Okay. Then go to INC also. There is a file type INC that by creating machine. So just try to implement videos, try to understand also, not just copy paste. Try to understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, you can mail me. Okay, that's it for the session. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.